how to sign into a pre-existing Zoom meeting once you have downloaded the Zoom application and it is on your computer. This is coming from a Mac owner perspective, although I'm sure on Windows it's probably pretty similar. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to open up Zoom. I keep this on my toolbar down here, but we can also find this in applications if you're a Mac user. So it'll be zoom.us. We'll double click that and it will go ahead and launch. We're going to ignore that update right now. Okay, so this is Zoom that's launched. These orange buttons up here, if we are going to start our own meeting, that's not what we're doing in this case. We're trying to join a pre-existing meeting. So there are two ways that this can be done. You may have been given, if you follow my pointer over here, a meeting ID in which you have to physically plug in the number of the meeting. So if we were to do that, to sign in that way, we will hit this button right here that says join. And then we're going to go ahead and type in that number. So 761-909-8323. Okay, from there I would go ahead and hit join. And we're in the meeting. Now we're going to leave the meeting and go through another way. Bye, everyone. Okay, so likely what will happen, again, ignore that update, is that you have been given a link to click to get into the meeting. That's the easier way to do it. So it's going to be some sort of link that basically is just zoom.us and a bunch of numbers. We're going to go ahead, click on that. And what that's going to do is open our internet browser, whatever you use, and it's going to ask our computer permission to go ahead and run this meeting through Zoom. So I'm going to tell it, yes, open through Zoom. It's connecting, and we're in the meeting. Your Zoom meeting, the question now is, what way do you want to view all the people in this meeting? If you look at the top right of your screen, we have two options. The first one is gallery view, which has one main person in the middle and everybody else on top. Or we could look at speaker view, in which we can see everyone. You can also click this button and make it full screen. And I think that's it. One thing that we can do too is pin our screen to have one person's screen in the center all the time. So for instance, if I want to pin Sherry, say Sherry's leading the class, she's the coach today, we're going to go ahead and click on the ... up on her little screen. We're going to hit pin video, and now Sherry, look at that beautiful scene. Now Sherry's scene is going to be, yeah, she just finished her run. Sherry's scene is going to be the main video in my Zoom right now. So if I only wanted to see what the coach was doing, if we're doing a virtual class, I would pin the coach's screen again by doing the ... and clicking pin video, or you can go ahead and unpin the video.